drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, baby. Who would have thought I'd get you?
And I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
I'm so annoyed because I bought a mount for my camera so I can have like car rants, should I say? And the darn thing don't work. I've never sent anything back on Amazon, but I'm about to return this thing because I need something that's going to work. And I'm not gonna let them just have my $30. They're gonna put that $30 towards something else. But I sat in the car for like an hour yesterday trying to get it situated, and it just would not work. It wouldn't stick. Like the adhesive for the base would not stick. And then I'm like, I don't know if I bought the wrong one. I don't know if my camera's too heavy. But it wouldn't work, y'all. So I'm holding my camera and this is not safe. So I won't be able to do no car rants with you, but I just want to let y'all know that I did try. I tried to buy a car mount and failed tremendously. I'm on my way to the post office to drop off these orders. And yeah. Still not sure how my day's gonna go. I just realized I probably need to scout some areas to shoot. I was after talking to my friend who's gonna take my photos, so I might have an entire change in plans because oh crap, I should have got it out of the trunk. I need to actually scout some locations. I realized that today. Like I know, but we always, because we're not like, it's just me and my friend, like we just be winging it. And since we don't really know what we be looking for, we be spending a lot of time trying to find places to shoot stuff when we do shoot together. So it'd be nice if we had like a location per se. So it'll help a lot if I actually get a move on that and start finding some options. Usually, sometimes our issue is lighting. We don't be knowing what we doing, so we don't really like know how to adjust the exposure and stuff like that when we shoot. So we need automatically good lighting. We don't need lighting that we have to adjust, you know what I mean? So that's one factor. So if I have like a couple options, it would be really helpful to help our evening go by fast. Cause I have, sorry, see, I need a mount. This is dumb. My arm is tired. Hello?
Hey.
Hey, you was breaking up.
Yeah. I said, you good? You hear me now?
I hear you now.
Okay. Yeah, so they have one in June, which I sent you, up in New York.
Right.
But they also have another one, in August, but that's in D.C.
Right. So wait, are you trying to? I thought you wanted to go to the New York one. No.
I do want to go to the New York one tomorrow. The early bird tickets.
How much are the tickets?
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know.
Oh. Okay.
So,
Connecting.
the time is still sleeping. I'm working. There's a whole lot going on right now.
But what I was saying is, I don't know if you heard me, but I was saying that I'm down for New York. Plus, all right, so the thing is with me too is I gotta go see my uncle in Connecticut. I've been promising him a trip to Connecticut for some time now. So I figured I would loop the 2 trips together. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Okay, that sounds good to me, girl.
How you doing?
I'm good, girl. I'm good. Just got out in these streets. Packing up my putting a package together at the post office, about to do a drop off. But I've been alright, just working. You know me, girl, just working. All right, so I actually, where did I leave off with you? I dropped off some packages at the post office, right? So after I left the post office, I went to the fashion district and I picked up a dress that I restocked in 2 different colors. And so I want to put some content online with me in one of the colors or 2 of the colors. I want to create like a reel or take some pictures. I haven't really figured it out yet, but I was scouting for places to shoot on Sunday with my friend, and while I was scouting, I found this little, I was like, okay, maybe while you're down here you might as well just, I figured maybe while I was down here I might as well just take a few pictures in this dress or create a reel in this dress, something to like show the 2 colorways that I have added. I did a poll yesterday and I did get votes on which colors to get, but now I need to put something online to just insinuate that it has been purchased, right? So I was driving around. The only thing is I didn't bring my tripod with me. I didn't bring my camera, like my remote, with me to take my self portraits. So what I'm gonna have to do, I was driving around, I was looking for an area that was well lit, but I could also like set my phone up on. And I have a very small tripod for my phone, like just a little handheld one, like the one that my camera is on. But I need to sit it up high enough to actually like get content, right? So I just drove past this area that I feel like might work. So I'm about to hop in the dress. Hopefully it's not wrinkly, because all I have are the ones that I just picked up. So I don't have an iron or anything to make it not wrinkly, but I'm gonna jump in it anyway and see what I can do with it anyway. So stay tuned. I am gonna set my camera up while I do it so you can see. I'm telling you, man, you gotta, when you got your own business and it's like a business that requires a whole team and you don't have a team, you actually lose all your pride. Like, I have 0 pride at this point. Like, I'm literally about to put on this dress and it's some loft area and I'm about to set up my camera right at this loft area corner and I'm about to take my pictures. Listen, gotta do what you gotta do. I'm so ashy, but one of the perks of shooting out your car is you always got stuff in here. So I found body butter literally in the back seat. I had sunglasses in here. Listen, compromise. I wish I had a bracelet or something. I really didn't prepare to do this, but whatever. Let's go work. Ooh, my battery dying. All right, I gotta turn you off so you can. So this is the area I want to shoot in, and the main reason I don't want to shoot here is because of this. can set my camera up like so. All right. The light is actually perfect. Let's get to work. So I'm leaving from shooting. My camera died, so now I'm on my cell phone. But so I found a random spot in the Arts District and shot the 2 colorways that I added in that dress. I didn't really care for the photos much, but they didn't need to be anything spectacular. I just needed the customers to be able to see the colors. So that's done. Check. It's 4:30. I think I'm gonna try to go to the gym, and then it's supposed to be date night. It's supposed to be date night, y'all. That's all I'm gonna say. I can't make no promises. Can't make no promises. Good thing I have a cell phone, because today will be an epic fail without one. Good morning. Well, good afternoon. It's actually 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm just headed out. I want to say hey and happy Friday. I was gonna just do a vlog for yesterday and edit it, but my camera ended up dying, and then my storage on my phone was all filled up, so I wasn't really able to get any more content or come back to you. But I did end up going to the gym yesterday, and I realized I lost my headphones. I guess, I mean, they have to be lost at this point. Maybe I dropped them somewhere. Oh no, here they go. Let's see if I can connect to them. If I can connect to them, then I'm going to Runyon Canyon. Well, that's the plan. Well, that was the plans. When I couldn't find my pods, I was like, I'm not doing any type of workout without my pods. Like, my workout yesterday was crazy. Like, I only did weights because cardio is an absolute, like, I need music in my ears. It's a mental thing for me, you know? So I wasn't gonna go to Runyon without them, so I was just gonna go and actually buy some earpods today, some real ones, because these not real ones. So I'm gonna go. I do need to do some browsing and shopping just for the boutique. I like to get, you know, fresh shoes, and I have a look in my mind. I really want to wear some Jordans, some ones. But I'm kind of shy, and I don't want to go in a sneaker store because I don't buy sneakers. So I really don't know what I'm looking for. I don't even know what size I really wear in some ones. Is it like 6 in kids or something? Probably need to be doing. But anyway, you guys, I'm out the house. I have a package to drop off at the post office. So I'm going to get ready to go do that now. What's this person doing? They're just sitting there by the door. It's kind of suspect to me. He's kind of cute. Okay. Look, he went from being suspect to like, ooh, hey.
Bed of lies, heard you matter in the club, trying to tell me you were drunk.
from this place. It's off of Melrose. I just walked in a couple stores. But I ain't gonna lie, my friend Tasha in New York, she stayed on the phone with me while I did because I was a little intimidated. But I got my ones. And you wanna know the ironic thing about it? I actually got my school colors. Ain't that crazy? Maroon and still. B-U-U! B-U-U. I love it, I love it, I love it. B-U-U. I guess it really do run through my veins because out of all of them, like, this color is like one of the ones that I like the most, shall I say? This palette. I also didn't want to keep looking. Like, I didn't want to keep going store to store. It just wasn't my thing. But I like those. The color. I do like the colorway. I wasn't 100% sure at first, but I was like, yeah. And then it's just like, isn't that crazy? It's your school colors. So, that's that. Now I'm about to treat myself to a little happy hour. Because I didn't do date night last night. I wasn't here for it. I went home. I cooked me something to eat and I went home. I ain't gonna lie, I'm really not here for this right now. I'm not here for happy hour right now, but I'm gonna do it anyway. But it's not busy. It's a pretty day out, and half of the building, like, they open it and it's exposed, so you can kind of like catch a breeze. It's a vibe. It's a cute little vibe. So I think I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna get a drink and maybe like a little taco or something. Something light. Nothing too crazy. I haven't eaten anything, so that's what I'm about to do. I'll bring you along with me. On my cell phone, of course.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get janked. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get janked. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi.